Third Millennium Chess, How to Play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Set out the cylinder board between the two players. There are two king lines on the cylinder, indicated by the squares that are colored into thirds. Set up the higher rank, lighter colored pieces on the king line with the lighter square on the far right, like you normally would, except with double-sided splittable knights instead of traditional knights. Place the lighter pawns on both sides of the king line. On the exact opposite side of the cylinder, set up the darker colored pieces on the other king line in the same way. You may only rotate the cylinder during your turn. Pawns must always move in the direction away from their own king line. Pawns promote like normal when they reach their opponent's king line. En passant is allowed like normal. Higher rank pieces can move any direction on the board and can cross over both players' king lines an unlimited number of times. Pieces may move completely around the board in a single move so long as they do not end their move on the same square they started on. They must stop on a different square. Castling is allowed like normal. The double-sided splittable knight is two knights combined into one. These knights may move in tandem with each other in a single move, like a traditional knight, or you may choose to move only one of them and split them into two separate knights. Split knights move like a normal knight, and can rejoin with their other half. Once rejoined, the double-sided knight can move in tandem again or split again. There is no limit to the number of times a knight can join or split. Knights can only join with their original half. They may not join with any other knight. If you capture a joined knight, then both pieces of that knight are removed from the board. But if you capture a split knight, then only that split piece is removed from the board. Pawns may promote to a double-sided splittable knight if you want, but not to a traditional knight. The first player to checkmate their opponent wins. If you're interested in this game, check out the link in the description for where you can purchase it. Be sure to use my promo code SSSGames for a 10% discount.